Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you can easily execute automatic keystone correction on your Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Pro. So first head over to settings. Now go over the projector and here click keystone correction. Now, as you guys can see, here we have the execute auto keystone correction. And how we do that, basically we click OK on our TV remote. Now let me click it, and as you guys can see, the auto keystone correction is in progress. So now it's done. As you guys can see, it says completed, and yeah, that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.